I'm getting ready to paint this door. Before I lay it on the sawhorses, I want to protect the door so it doesn't get all scratched up. Now you may have seen the simple solution I shot last year where you can cover the sawhorses with carpeting. Well, Tom from New York saw that and said he had a better idea, and I agree. It's using pool noodles to cover the sawhorses. Just take a pool noodle, cut it about 1 inch longer than the rail on the sawhorse, and then slit it along its length with a utility knife. Now once it's slit like this, all you have to do is slip it over the sawhorse, just like that. The nice thing about this is it goes on really tightly. You see it's not going to slide out of position, and it's nice and thick and soft. And of course I have another pool noodle for this sawhorse. Slip it right on. There you go. So now with both sawhorses covered, I can set my door in place with no fear of it getting all scratched up. And at the end of the day, you can pull the pool noodles off and you've got 2 wooden sawhorses.